so just get up on my face. They all up in my inbox, so I know they wanna taste.
If you want to take your hair from this to this, stay tuned and don't forget to click the subscribe button while you're at it. It is your girl, the Makeup Plug, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you guys so much for clicking this video, and I'm ready to show y'all my winter hair routine. Okay, so we're going to start off with week-old hair, and as you can see, my hair is very big, it's a little frizzy, and this is voluminous. I have 3 bundles and 1 closure in, and usually with bundles you have to take care of it, especially curly bundles. You have to take care of it as if it's on your own hair. So I'm taking a wide tooth comb, my Diva Curl Leave-In Decadence Conditioner, some Lotta Body, I love this stuff, I'm telling y'all, and this Garnier Fructis Curl Treat gel, which I really do like. It's very lightweight, and right now I'm only separating my hair, so that's why I sped it up just a little bit. So what I like to do first is detangle the ends. I make sure that I get all the knots and all the tangles out, especially because the back of your head is to get tangled the most. Because you rub your hair on the back of your shirt, your jackets, and it does easily get detangled because of that. And right now you see me finger detangling with a little bit of water adding to the ends of my hair. I'm going back in with that wide tooth comb just to make sure that I got everything pretty good. And take your time when doing your hair. Do it on your off day or do it on the day that you're not rushing, seriously, because you have to treat your bundles just like it's your own hair. I'm telling you guys, it will make a worldwide difference. And right here, we did get a little bit of shedding. Mind you, shedding you will get if you do have curly hair. It's not non-existent, honestly. Now I'm taking that Diva Curl Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm just taking a very little bit for each section. And I always start at the bottom and work my way up to the top, because your ends need the most conditioning and hydration. Taking some Lotta Body, and I'm going to use 1 pump only, and I do the same thing from the end to the top. Right here, I just added a little bit of that Garnier Fructis gel. I forgot to show it in camera, so I'm going to show it in my next clip. Okay, so starting off on my next section, the top really didn't need much detangling, so right now you see me finger detangling. And I have been running a little bit of water through my hair, but just because it's really not a lot of tangles towards the top of my hair. Alright, so I'm taking a little bit of that Diva Curl Leave-In Conditioner, and I'm just running that through the top of my head. And y'all, my curls are already popping. Do y'all see that? Come on now. Like, I'm just running my fingers through that, and the next thing I'm going to use is a little bit of that Lotta Body just to seal that moisture in, and also to help define my curls just a little bit more. I really love to massage the product through the hair, so take your time when doing that because you will see great results.
Cause I'm ballin'. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. I'm a body, got me drip drip. I'm a big.
And now back to the video, and right now just adding that Garnier Fructis to my hair and just making sure it doesn't look chunky. Now right here, I saw that my ends need a little bit more hydration, so I'm taking that Diva Curl cream and I'm just running that through my ends. And a little bit goes a very long way because I don't want my ends to stay hydrated. I never want my ends to look really dead or anything like that. You see how that just revives the ends? On to the next section. What is your favorite curly hair product? Leave it in the description down below. I really want to know what's a great product that I should try next on this hair. I just wanted to show you guys a close-up of me finger detangling and the benefits of it. Like, you'll get less shedding and it will help your hair. Look how defined and good my hair looks. Don't yank on your hair. Don't pull your hair. Don't rush a comb through it. Literally take your time, ladies. I literally love curly hair all year round. Only time I don't, well, that's a lie. I don't like it during the summer, but I love curly hair. Comment what's your favorite hair texture down below. Y'all, look how juicy these curls look. Come on now. Wait till these curls dry. This is right now when it's wet. But come on, look how popping and defined these curls look. Oh, I don't put any heat on my hair after this. I let it air dry because it literally only takes 30 to 45 minutes to air dry. I'll walk around or eat something really quick or just lay down and chill. But after that, my hair will be so good. Okay guys, so this is just a close-up of my hair. It looks so good. It looks so juicy. Like, this routine takes less than 10 minutes and you'll get your hair detangled and popping. Like, y'all, I'm telling y'all, try this routine and let me know in the comments down below what you thought. Y'all, my hair is 100% dry right now. I am so happy. Look how good and defined it looks. Y'all, my curls are popping. If you try this routine, y'all have to let me know down below. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe. Come join my channel. You'll see uploads of me every weekend. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys later for the next video.